In this example, we're going to draw a Venn diagram. Now, this particular problem has three different sets. We have students who failed due to poor attendance, students who failed due to not studying, and students who failed because they didn't turn in assignments. So we're going to create a Venn diagram for the survey with these three sets. So I have poor attendance, I have not studying, and I'm going to do an H for people who didn't turn in assignments. When you fill this Venn diagram in, always start here where they give you the number of students who were in all three. So you kind of want to work backwards and you want to work from the middle out. So 1 goes in the intersection of all three. 4 failed because of poor attendance and not turning in assignments. So my attendance and homework intersect in 2 regions and they must add up to 4. So I'm going to have 3 students that were attendance and homework only. 9 failed because of not studying and not turning in assignments. So the studying circle and the homework circle adds up to 9. So this means that this intersection here is 8 and 1. And then 15 failed because they did not turn in assignments. Oh, I missed one. 10 failed because of poor attendance and not studying. So the attendance and the studying adds up to 10 in their intersecting region. So I have 9 here. Now as I work further back, it says that 15 failed because they didn't turn in assignments. So this entire assignments circle must add up to 15. Or actually, the assignments is my H. I need to make sure I get that right. So the entire H is 15. So already I have 8 and 1 and 3, which is 12. So I'm going to have 3 more that go in this region here. So you want all of it to add up to 15. 22 failed due to not studying. So the entire S circle must add up to 22. And right now I have 9, 1, and 8. So that's 18. So 4 more would go there. And then finally, 15 students failed due to poor attendance. So in the A circle, I have 9, 1, and 3, which is 13. So 2 more go in this region. Usually with surveys, you always have a number that goes out here, which means these are the students in the survey that didn't classify or fall into any of those. But this particular survey doesn't have any extra values or numbers there. So now let's look at part 1. How many failed for exactly 2 of these reasons? Well, exactly 2 of the reasons would be people in the region where we have the number 3. That's people who were only in the A and the H circles. This number 9, which is only the A and the S, and the 8, which is the S and the H. So the sum of 9 and 3 and 8 is going to be 20. Okay. And then part 2 says how many failed because of poor attendance and not studying, but not because of not turning in assignments. So first focus on poor attendance and not studying. So the attendance and the studying, when it's and, that's intersection. So if I look at where do those regions intersect, that would be in 2 places, the 9 and the 1. But then it says not because of not turning in assignments. So I want to take out the 1 because that includes people who also didn't turn in homework. And that just leaves me with the 9. And then part 3 says how many failed because of exactly one of the 3 reasons. Well, that would be the people that are out here where they only fail because of that one thing. So we have the 2 people for the attendance, 4 people for not studying, and 3 people for not turning in assignments. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9.